In today's world, packaging is more than just a tool for transport. It's an opportunity to reflect your brand's values and commitment to sustainability. With Fiberflex paper, the high-performance, eco-friendly, heat-sealable paper mailer solution designed for select pack machinery equipment, it's not just packaging. It's a way to showcase your brand when you choose to customize. Fiberflex lets you bring your brand's identity to life. With custom printing options, you can add your logo and other branding directly on each mailer. Make a statement and communicate to customers with every package you ship. Fiberflex doesn't just help you reduce labor and get more packages out faster, it also lets you brand your packaging with the same level of care and excellence you put into your products. Visit Pack Machinery for custom bags today.